Good morning. Today is July 22nd, 2013, and happy Monday to everyone. We have taken an extended look at complexity and the impact it has and how to work towards getting that beast under control. Today is our last and most controversial view of how to deal with overcomplexity in a working environment. On more occasions than I'd like to admit, or document certainly, I've heard C-level and senior level leaders express frustration for a lack of ability to get an internal function to simplify, streamline, or become less complex. They hear lengthy explanations, read opinions from legal counsel, look at endless diagrams that justify the complex solution currently being used. As a baseline thought for today, bureaucracy exists to continue and support bureaucracy. That annotated quote is most often associated with government entities, but it's also true in many medium and large business organizations as well. When the complex object is no longer movable, the leader must consider some drastic action. The first is a complete re-engineering of that department, division, or function. This will not only include completely redesigning how processes are completed, but will also often have a necessary human casualty by removing team members responsible for creating and perpetuating the overcomplex. It will require leaders to look at required roles to complete processes and whether or not existing team members will fit into those roles. This is called exploding. Drastic, but sometimes very, very necessary. The next move to consider is functional outsourcing. If it takes your internal facility department 2 weeks and a form and 3 approvals to change a light bulb, you can insert your own joke there, maybe outsourcing maintenance is the right answer. Many economists and business development specialists cite these kinds of examples when explaining the exponential growth in small business in the United States. The small companies are more nimble, less bureaucratic, and more responsive than internal processes. They can and will change direction on a dime. There is very little pushback, and the ability to change entities performing the function is very, very easy and very simple. I am not intimating that outsourcing is any kind of magic wand or panacea. It will not work uniformly in all environments, but it is a valuable comparison tool, and it must be considered when internal functions cannot be simplified or streamlined. Next week, we're going to begin looking at a couple of miscellaneous leadership subjects, beginning with one-on-one meetings. Take care, everyone, and have a great week.